Hey everybody, it's Jenny McGarvey and I am back with you again today to share how I planned this week in my classic happy planner. I used a sheet of wax paper a la According to Allie, and I am going to pull all the stickers I've chosen for this week off of there. It actually took quite a while to find all of the perfect ones since I'm doing a rainbow week, but I wanted to make sure that I showed you just made it absolutely beautiful and all of the things that I wanted to include because I knew I hadn't done a rainbow week with the Happy Planner stickers in a long time, so there'd be tons of greatness. So I added that departure info and then created a cluster around it, including that on the menu and that cute little suitcase because it's a travel day for me, and then also another little icon right there so that I could add my shuttle information as well. Now those new half florals from the Womankind sticker book are so cute, and they make a really awesome layering piece, as you can see right there. Now Wednesday's already gotten away from me. Oh my gosh, crazy. But more layering going on, including that decorative piece right there in the middle with the stripes. And I love it with that little banner layered on top of it. Now down below I have an activity box, which is from the teacher book, so it's a little bit bigger. But then I've also layered on top of it that pencil sticker, and it just turned out super, super cute. Now I'm using my phone to go back through my email to find the departure information for my flight. I knew I had the flight number and all those things somewhere written in there, so it didn't make any sense for me to not look those up and just add them directly to my planner page. Sorry for any background noise. Also, my dog is around and I hadn't realized what a distraction she would be. My older dog is pretty silent, so my puppy is a little bit crazier. Now I'm adding the leaves for the green Thursday, and I just love them. They're so, so, so cute. And that cluster just makes it feel really fun and tropical in the middle of the week, which is awesome too. Now those leaves on that washi looking strip is one of my favorite things. And having it layered with that little quarter box I just think that turned out super, super cute. So I love having that down at the bottom, and then I've left plenty of room for to-dos in the middle. Now, Friday comes a super sad day for me. My oldest son is moving to his dorm at college for the first time. So I've laid a couple of stickers down to layer, and I'm doing this for the most positive reinforcement for myself that I can get. So I added, "You've got this," and then I will continue to add more affirmations as we go. Now, on Saturday, I will have, like I said, more affirmations because goodness gracious, I feel like I need them. Emotionally, I'm not handling this very well. I knew this day would come. It's what we've prepared for, but yikes, it's gonna be okay. So I am okay. There's no need for concern. Yeah, it came faster than I ever thought. So now I'm finished with that wax paper. I used every single sticker I pulled up, and I think that's amazing. I'm so excited about that, and I will definitely do that again. I'm just looking through here. I'm going to write down a travel bit for my husband and add a little bit of washi tape. And then that is it for me for this super, super cute week. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below, and I will do my best to get back to you. Thanks so much, and make it a great day.